Use is based on Indian polity. So without any delay, let's start. Our first section is dealing with the Constitution. So question number 1 is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Take your time and comment your answer. Yes, the right answer is option B. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Question number 2 is the Constitution. Right answer is option C. In 26 November 1949. Question number 3 is, which part of the Constitution is the Carta of India? I repeat, which part of the Constitution is called the Magna Carta of India? Yes, the right answer is option C. Part 3. Fundamental rights are called the Magna Carta. Question number 4 is, the idea of the preamble was borrowed from which country? I repeat, the idea of liberty, equality, and fraternity in the preamble was borrowed from which country? Right answer is option B, from France. Question, take your time and comment your answer. Yes, the right answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Section 2nd is deal with fundamental rights and duties were originally provided by the Constitution. Right answer is option B, 7. Right to property was later removed. Question number 7 is, which article is known as the right answer is option D, Article 32. Question number 8 is, right to property was removed from fundamental rights, option B, 44th Amendment. Question number 9, the fundamental duties were added on the recommendation of which committee? Option C, Shwan Singh Committee. Question number 10 is, untouchability is abolished under which article? 17. Section 3 is dealing with the President and White. Section 3 is dealing with the state of India. I repeat, who is the constitutional head of the state of India? Right answer option C, President. Question number 12 is, what is the minimum? Question number 12 is, what is President of India? Right answer option C, 35 years is the minimum age to become the President of India. Question number 13 is, who administered the oath of the office of the President? I repeat, who administers Justice of India? Question number 14 is, the President can be removed from office by the process of impeachment. Question number 15 is, who act as the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Right answer option B, Vice President. Section 4 is deal with Parliament. So question number 16 is, the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha. Right answer option B, 550, following the removal of Anglo-Indian seats. Question number 17 is, what is the tenure of the member of Rajya Sabha? Right answer option C. Question number 18 is, which house of the parliament is known as the lower house? Right answer option B, Lok Sabha. Question number 19 is, the joint seating of both houses is question number 19 is question number 20 is, who decided whether a bill is money bill? I repeat, who decides whether a bill is a money bill? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number Section 5 is dealing with judiciary and state government. So question number 21 is, what is the option C, 65 years? Question number 22 is, the Supreme Court of India was established in? Right answer option B, in 1950. 23 is, who appoints the governor of state? Right answer option B, President. Question number 24 is, the minimum age to become a chief minister is? Right answer option A, 25 years is a minimum. Question number 25 is which state has the largest number of seats in Lok Sabha? Right answer option C, Uttar Pradesh. Next is dealing with emergency and local government. So question number 26 is which article deal with national emergency? Right 2. Question number 27 is financial emergency article 360 has been declared in India how many times? Right answer. Question number 28 is the Panchayati Raj system was first adopted by which state? Right answer option B, Rajasthan. Question number 29 is which amendment is released to urban local bodies? Right answer option B, 74th. Number 30 is what is the minimum age for voting in India? Right answer option B, 18 year. Section 7 is question number 31 is which question number 31st is which schedule? Question number 32 is the anti-defection law is in which question number 32 is the anti-defection law is in which schedule? Question number 33 is who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Right answer option A, Shukumar are nominated by the President of the Rajya Sabha. Right answer option C, 12. 35 is the directive principle of the state policy are borrowed from. Right answer option B, Ireland. Question number 36 is which article empower the parliament of the amend the constitution? Right answer option C, article 368. 37 the first session of Lok Sabha was held in. Right answer option C, in 1952. Question number 38 is who is the guardian of fundamental rights? Right answer option C, judiciary. Question number first amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 in which year? Right answer option B, in 1989. Civil code is mentioned in which article? Right answer option B, article 44. Question number 41 is who was the chairman of? Right answer option B, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Question number 42 is borrowed from. Right answer option B, Britain. Question number 43 is which part Union territories? Right answer option C, part 8. Question number 44 is who was the first women speaker of Lok Sabha? Right answer option B, Meera Kumar. In the Indian currently. Right answer option C, 25. Question number 46 is the residual. Question number 46 is the residuary powers of session of parliament. Right answer option C, 6 months. Question number 48 is who is the government of India? Right answer option B, Attorney General. 9 is which article provides for the election commission? Right answer option B, article 324. Question is the first country. Question number 50 and last question is the first country.